Let's draft this beautiful top. Shoulder measurement divided by 2. Then my neck, I need a neck of 3.5. This is my shoulder line. Upper bust line, that's the armhole line. Bust line, waist line. Marking my same shoulder line to connect a straight line here. Then I'm going to mark 3 inches up here. Then I'll come in by half of an inch. I'll include my bust measurement on the armhole line. That's my bust circumference divided by 4. I'm going to draw my armhole cuff. Can you see? The next thing is for me to compute my waist measurement. Divide by 4. That's the waist circumference divided by 4. Plus 1 inch that I'll connect to my bust measurement on the armhole line. Can you see? I'll include my dart. So to include my dart on my bust line, I will mark my bust span measurement divided by 2. So people call it nipple to nipple measurement. Divided by 2. Draw a straight line. Then I will take half of an inch that intake on both sides. Connect it. Can you see? The next thing, I will come to my shoulder line. I will mark 2 inch. Then I'll connect it to my bust span measurement divided by 2. Can you see? Then I'm going to come here and curve my neckline. You can decide to measure from your bust span to where you want the neckline to be. So depending on where you want it to be. Can you see? So I'll impute my bust dart. My bust dart will be 2 inches, which is the difference between my front and my back waistline. That is, if you measure from your shoulder to your waistline for the front and the shoulder to the waistline for the back, the difference is what I use as my bust dart. I will include my shoulder joining allowance. So here I'm going to connect it. If you can see the picture. But if you don't want to connect, you can as well do it as a straight line. So I'll add side seam allowance 1.5. I'll add my folding allowance. So I'll extend my dart. I'm going to cut my pattern now. So I will extend my that leg as well. I'll open my dart. I'll open my bust dart as well. I'm going to hold my dart. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified when I upload new sewing tutorials. See you on the next video. Bye bye.